So this problem, we're given 3 points and we need to show whether these 3 points are collinear or non-collinear. Collinear means they're going to lie on the same line. Non-collinear means if we draw a line, then these 3 points cannot lie on the particular line. So let's try to solve this problem. So first, but we'll begin by naming each of the points as A, -2, 5. The next point, let it be B, 0, 1, and the third point be C, 2, -3. So what we'll do, we'll try to first find out the distance between A and B, followed by the distance between A and C, and we'll also find out the distance between B and C by using the distance formula. The distance formula is specified here. So let's say we have 2 points, point A and point B, whose coordinates are given. If we join it by a straight line, then the distance between the 2 points is going to be given by this particular formula, where AB will be simply take the square root. Underneath the square root, first we'll have to take the square of the difference of the x coordinate, and then we're going to add it to the square of the difference of the y coordinate. So let's do it step by step. Since we are doing AB, so we'll start with the coordinate of B, and from there we're going to subtract the coordinate of A. So B, the x coordinate is 0, so we'll take 0, and from it we subtract the x coordinate of A. So we have minus of -2, so that makes it positive. So we have 0 plus 2 whole square, plus we'll take the difference of the y coordinate. We'll start with the y coordinate of B, so that's 1. And from here, we are going to subtract the y coordinate of A. So that's 5. 1 minus 5 whole square. This will be equals to square root of 0 plus 2 whole square, that's 4. Plus 1 minus 5, that's -4. -4 squared, that's going to be 16. So we get square root of 20. Now coming to the length AC, we'll take the square root. Underneath the square root, we will take the difference of the x coordinate. We'll start with C. The x coordinate of C, that's 2. From here, we're going to subtract the x coordinate of A. So 2 plus 2 whole square. Then add it to the difference of the y coordinate. So we have -3 minus 5 whole square. This will be equals to, so we have 2 plus 2, that's 4. 4 squared is going to be 16. Plus -3, -5, so that's -8. -8 squared, that's going to be 64. So this comes out to be equals to square root of 80. Then we have BC. So BC is going to be, so we'll take the square root. So we take the x coordinate of C, so that's 2. And from here, subtract the x coordinate of B. So that's 0. We have 2 minus 0. We square it and then add it to the difference of the y coordinate squared. So we have -3 minus 1 squared. This will be equals to, so 2 squared, that's going to be 4. Plus -3, -1, that's 4. -4 squared, that's 16. This is going to be square root of 20. Now square root of 80, that can be also expressed as 2 times square root of 20. Now in doing so, we can see here that since the length of AC, that's equals to AB plus BC. So this means that the 3 points, therefore we can say the points A, B, and C are collinear. So whenever this particular criterion is met, we say that the points must be collinear. So that means option A is going to be the correct answer.